So in an effort to make this fight fair, I'll sharpen the blade on the Honda, and I'll take and I'll reinstall this blade backwards on a dirty deck. And as you can see, I did not swap it back. It's going the wrong way. Those two Honda, those two trucks, Cub Cadet, with a backwards blade. Definitely both not perfect. Both have a lot of scraggles, but like I would say they're equal. Maybe worse with a Honda. I'd put tire track on tire track here to keep it as fair as I could, giving this thing a massive disadvantage. All right, so this is remowed with the blade the right way in the Cub Cadet. And one thing I will say to get a perfect cut on this one, if you put the tire track just on the outside of where the other tire track was, this thing cuts flawlessly all the time. I only have one gripe with this thing: it doesn't cut as good backwards as it does forwards. Here's a pretty good example of the reverse cut. That's a reverse cut. That's a forward cut. And like I said, there is a couple of scraggles left over, kind of, you can see. But still more than happy. No clumps at all. And you can see, like, I'm taking off a significant layer of grass. The last thing I will kind of mention is if I would go one notch lower, then it cuts totally flawlessly. But it's just not worth the sacrifice of having the grass that short during our kind of hot and dry season. So a couple of scraggles, I mean, you've seen them. I can live with that. That's already a million times better than what the old Schmonda does.